Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and we are once again with Boo-Rad. And Boo-Rad, what are we doing today?
Today, we're doing an exhaust install.
And this is Bradley's dream exhaust that luckily he found in the used market for like $400 off or so.
They're $500. I think they're like $760 new.
Like almost $800 exhaust, brand new. But it's always better find it used, and yeah, it's basically brand new. What do you say?
He said he only used it for about 500 miles, and then he gave his GTI to his brother. So it's basically brand new. You know, I'd rather buy it used than to pay $200, $300 more for new.
And then shipping and all that stuff.
True. So
this is clutch. I told him, Bradley, you gotta jump on it before someone else buys it. You guys know how the used market works, or the Facebook market. But yeah, we already have the GTI on jack stands. I already removed a bracket that was in the way, and I gotta remove the bracket holding the stock exhaust to the downpipe area. And it looks fairly easy, so let's jump on it. So Bradley's gonna take over the camera with a little bit of B-roll while I just do my thing, so we can get this thing over with and get you guys some exhaust clips. So let's pray to the car gods, mechanic gods, we don't have any trouble.
yes.
And look at that stinger, pretty nice. I got the two right. All right, let's do this.
All right, guys. Jose is taking the bracket that is holding the stock downpipe to the stock cap back. Don't know what size they are, but I think it's just 13. But it's just two of them. So Jose forgot his L gun at work, so we gotta use those man muscles right now.
All right, so the exhaust is now basically off, but it's just stuck on a hanger that I can't get. So I put some WD-40. I did order an exhaust hanger remover tool. Should be here soon. So come on, Amazon gods, bring it. But it's tradition, Bradley. You have to start the car open down pipe. Wasn't even that loud. Sounds so weird.
It's choppy.
It's choppy. A little red. Damn. It's quiet.
Yeah.
Low key.
Alright, guys. Jose finally got this thing off.
Yeah, we're struggling with this hanger, but after letting it sit with WD-40 a little bit, and like I said, I did order an exhaust hanger remover. So basically I got some pliers and did the same concept as what that would do. And since it already had WD-40 all over it, it just slipped right off. So clutch WD-40.
Yep, so now we're gonna start piecing together with Mbrp. I'm gonna start with the end piece that connects to the stock downpipe. Sorry y'all, it's a little dark, but just connected the first piece to the stock downpipe. It does not, this pipe does not go into the other pipe.
You see this right here?
What?
This would be where you put a hanger, but there's no hanger.
Alright guys, we just got the last piece on. We're about to adjust the tips. As you can see, it sits a little too far to the left. This one's good. Yeah, this one sits a little too far to the left, but we're almost done. And then we'll give you guys, it's not gonna be a cold start, but
It's gonna be a cold start.
we'll show you guys, give you a couple revs too.
Alright guys, this exhaust install is now done. Believe it or not, this is my first exhaust install and also Bradley's. So you know, I'm glad we could do it together. And this exhaust is actually pretty easy. It's just a lot of adjustability, and you know how it works. You gotta like fine tune the adjustability, and it might shift here and there. Bradley does need one exhaust hanger, so maybe the adjustability could be a little bit better, or he could also upgrade his exhaust hangers as well. But for now, we're good. And you can see the exhaust tips. They look, compared to the stock ones, these things look huge. So that's a thumbs up. All right, so this is the Mbrp Pro Series exhaust for the Mark 7 and Mark 7.5. So now, Bradley, cold start, do the honors.
Sounds good.
Let's do it.
That sounds like the speed.
That sounded really good. It's not over the top loud, but it's loud. Louder. It's not crazy loud, but that might be different when we're on the gas. But right now it's warming up on idle, and she's purring. She sounds really good. And from here, well, with this exhaust set up with the clamps, technically there should be no exhaust leaks, so that's good. I don't hear any, so we're good on there. Condensation flowed out of the exhaust, so we're solid. Damn, that car's dirty. Yeah.